Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CF External Script in ShopFunnels. Let's start. Log into your account in ShopFunnels. This is your dashboard. On the navigation bar on the left side of the screen, click on Plugins to install the CF External Script. Next, click on the Add New Plugin button. There are two options that pops up: install from Marketplace or upload a plugin. If you have a zip file, you can click on Upload a plugin. If you don't have a zip file, click on Install from Marketplace. Here you can see there are tons of plugins available here. You can just scroll down. If you want to search scripts, just type External in the search bar and hit the Enter button. Now you can see it here, CF External Scripts. Just click on it. Log in to install this plugin. Enter your ShopFunnels membership details, then log in. You can also log in using Google. Now, click on this Install button and it will automatically direct you to the plugin section. Here, this is the external script that you should be getting. Right now, this plugin is disabled. Click on the button to enable the plugin. In the navigation bar on the left side of the screen, you can now see the External Scripts tab. Click on it. Then select All Setup. As you can see, all the custom external scripts that we have already created are shown here. Let me just delete all of these. Now, you can manage all the external scripts that you will create. Click the Create New button. You can add the direct code of Talk, Facebook Messenger, Skype, Google Analytics, and Facebook Pixel. If your code is not related to any of these, just click on the Add New Integration option here. Add the title that will be distinguished in all your scripts. Let me add, "This is the custom script." Below, add your script. It is asking for the position where you want to add your script. If you want to add the script in the folder, just click on the folder. But if you want to add to the header, choose Header. I choose Folder. Then save settings. Next, click on the Store content. Under it, click Store. Choose the store you wish to manage. Then click Edit Store. Then select the page you wish to add the script. For me, I will add it on the Sales page. Select the Sales page tab, then hit the gear icon on the right side of the screen. Scroll down. Here you can see the Select Integrations tab. Just click on it. Then select the checkbox that appears. This is the integration that I have created a while ago. Then save settings. Click on the eye icon to visit the page. Here my script is working and shows an alert that I've added. It is saying hi. Go to the external script to show you how to set up Talk, Messenger, and the other integrations. If you're going to add Skype, just click on it. You can also add here the title that will be, "This is the Skype script." You have two options. You can add your Skype ID or you can add your script depending on your need. I'll add my Skype ID. On Skype, click on the Settings. This is my Skype ID. Just copy. Then go back to the integration setting, then paste the Skype ID. Then save settings. Go back to the Store Content tab, then click on Store. Then, Edit Store. Select your page, then hit the gear icon. Scroll down to select Integrations. Then click This is the Skype script. Save Settings. When I refresh the page, my first integration is saying hi. Click on the OK. Then, after some time, you will see my Skype integration, which will show on the bottom right side of the screen. When you click on it, you will see the sign-in prompt to use the Skype Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.